If you're thinking about opening a Vanguard Brokerage account, you might have come across the term settlement fund, which plays a key role in how your Vanguard account functions. In this detailed review of the Vanguard Brokerage account and Vanguard Settlement Fund, we'll dive deep into the pros and cons, helping you make an informed decision. Vanguard, founded almost 50 years ago, is known for being a leader in passive investing, and while its brokerage platform remains a strong option for long-term buy and hold investors, it has some unique quirks and limitations that set it apart from competitors. One of the key features of Vanguard is its settlement fund, which serves as the cash account where money is held before trades are made or after sales are completed. This fund, typically the Vanguard Federal Money Market Fund, holds your cash and ensures that you have liquidity for future investments or withdrawals. If you've ever wondered how your cash sits in this fund, it's there to help facilitate your trades, dividends, or withdrawals. It's important to note that this fund isn't just a place where your money sits idle. It earns some interest, though typically very modest, which adds a small but steady return. For many investors, this feature provides convenience and peace of mind. Let's explore the pros of the Vanguard Brokerage account. First, the platform offers access to a wide range of low-cost investment options, including Vanguard's famed mutual fund or ETFs. Investors with at least $3,000 can access Vanguard's Admiral Shares, which come with some of the lowest expenses ratios in the industry, allowing you to keep more of your investment returns over time. Vanguard's cash sweep feature automatically places unused funds into a money market fund, helping to optimize even your idle cash. Additionally, the platform provides excellent educational resources for investors at all levels, from beginners to experienced traders. If you're focused on long-term investing, Vanguard's approach, which discourages rapid trading and high fees, is a perfect fit. However, like all platforms, Vanguard has its cons. The platform's interface is outdated and clunky, which can be frustrating for investors used to slick, modern brokerage apps. Vanguard also has relatively high minimum investment requirements for many funds, which might be a barrier for new investors or those looking to start small. For example, several mutual funds require a minimum investment of $3,000. Moreover, the platform isn't designed for active traders, as there are no real-time price updates or advanced trading tools. It's clear that Vanguard's platform was created for long-term buy and hold investors rather than those looking to engage in frequent day trading. If you're focused on options trading, Vanguard might not be the best choice. Its options fees are higher than competitors, charging $1 per contract compared to $0.65 at other brokerages like Fidelity and Schwab. Additionally, Vanguard's slow account setup process can take several days, which is another drawback if you are looking to get started quickly. You can fill out the application in minutes, but the review process can take up to 5 days before you can fully access your account and begin trading. Another downside is the lack of fractional shares, a feature many investors find useful for investing smaller amounts in expensive stocks. Unlike some other platforms, Vanguard doesn't allow you to buy partial shares of individual stocks or ETFs, limiting your flexibility if you want to invest in high-priced stocks but don't have the capital to buy full shares. Vanguard Settlement Fund, the Vanguard Federal Money Market Fund, is a core feature of its brokerage account. This fund plays a crucial role in managing your cash flow. When you sell securities, the proceeds are deposited into your settlement fund. When you're ready to buy new investments, the money is automatically withdrawn from it. While this keeps your cash ready for new trades, there's a 7-day holding period for deposits made by check or electronic transfer, which can be a bit of an inconvenience if you need immediate liquidity. Another key feature of the settlement fund is that it earns a small return. As of today, the Vanguard Federal Money Market Fund offers a yield of 5.22% with an expense ratio of 0.11%. While this is a competitive return for a cash account, money market funds don't outperform the broader stock market during bull markets. Instead, they offer stability during market downturns, making them a useful tool for preserving capital while waiting for better investment opportunities. When it comes to customer service, Vanguard takes a somewhat old-school approach. Unlike some other brokerages that offer 24/7 support or live chat options, Vanguard only provides phone-based customer service from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m., Monday through Friday. There's no live chat or email support, which can be frustrating for users who prefer digital communication. For investors with larger portfolios, Vanguard offers personal advisor services, which require a minimum balance of $50,000 and charge an annual fee of 0.3%. This service combines automated investment management with access to a team of financial advisors who can help tailor your portfolio to your goals. Finally, the Vanguard Brokerage account and Vanguard Settlement Fund are designed with long-term investors in mind. If you value low fees, a solid selection of low-cost mutual funds and ETFs, and prefer a buy and hold strategy, Vanguard is an excellent choice. However, its platform limitations, higher than average options fees, and lack of advanced trading tools mean it's not ideal for active traders or those looking for a more modern trading experience. Understanding these strengths and weaknesses can help you decide if Vanguard is the right platform for your investment needs.